Hello friends, we are starting Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget 18th session. Our main aim is to make Organized Self-Employment Ministry live on India level, nationally and on the state level by the document method, so that right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office should be fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, we should be preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have 3 budget system: annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, organized self-employment ministry and budget. Right of educational certificate should be capital right, and self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to the organized self-employment ministry should be acknowledged as self-employment government job. Automatically fiscal credit system will come for we all. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. I have written this book, Truth Only Trumps. On this basis, I have tried to make 6 drama. This book is I am selling in the market with the concept of Truth Only Trumps, because this book is for the welfare, for the success of we all by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. This is the fiscal credit table which I have made for we all. On that basis, I have tried to make a documented path so that our income should become regular, because we are irregular earner in India, scattered in 29 states, 6 union territories and on national level. Some of we are lucky who are getting regular income 12 months, but most of we are not. So for this I have written this Truth Only Trumps, and the fiscal credit table which I have made is a documented path of fiscal credit table by which we are organized from the illiterate 0 to 18, 18 to 58, signature known 0 to 18, 18 to 58. Then from that I have also made the 6th path, 5th pass, then 8th pass, then 10th pass 0 to 18, 18 to 58, then 12th pass 0 to 18, 18 to 58, then graduation 0 to 18, 18 to 58, post graduation, MPhil, DLED, PhD 0 to 18 and 18 to 58 by this fiscal credit table. I have tried to explain that if we are documented in the constitutional form by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, by trust in Truth Only Trumps, by trust in organized self-employment ministry, by the document system, automatically the organized self-employment ministry and budget will come into action. For this we have to again come to my house, that is at Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, and room number 1 to 6. Again I will try to first of all do prayer so that The concept enter into our mind. Organize self-employment ministry and budget. First room, Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir, Shiv Shakti, 12 documents of Mandir, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, passport, photo election ID card, PAN card, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra. The rays are coming, blessing rays are coming from Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, meeting at the center point. I have taken 16.66% only, so that 6 unborn rays I have tried to explain. Second room is of Vaikunth Cheet Sagar Dham, that is Vishnu Lakshmi, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. 12 Jyotir Mandir documents which I have recommended, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, photo election ID card, passport, PAN card, Mangal Sutra, marriage certificate, employment. Automatically, third raise is coming from Satyadham, that is the ISBN of Hindus, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, Vinoba Bhave, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu. These types of book I have taken as ISBN. Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Premchand, these types of book, and the rays are coming from Satyadham, and 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, photo election ID card, passport, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra, all. Then Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, the Durga Savi Devi Bhagavad, 12 Jyotirlinga, 12 Jyotir Mandir Pitha, coming from Ekyavan Shakti Pitha, which I have recommended, and 12 Mandir documents, 12 Banarsi Sari and Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, photo election ID card, marriage certificate, employment, all women of India, truth and non-violence, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, self-employment, government job, by the document signing. Then automatically in the room number 5, Hindu Varshkrit, the different types of Hindu, the Vishnu Yagya, Durga Yagya, the Kali Yagya, Chandika Yagya, all types of puja which we are making, Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit, and Surya, Chandrama, Navagraha, Dharmantik, Umed, Sanakadi, Muni, Saptarshi, all Dhruv, all Indra, all God and Goddess. Varshkrit, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, passport, photo election ID card, PAN card, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra, all. Employment automatically. Then from this 20 into 5, 16.66, I am dividing into 6 parts. Then taking Indian Constitution, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, 12 Banarsi Sari and Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, photo election ID card, and the passport, employment documents, the marriage certificate, all. Now you see 6 rays are coming from Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. All are Hindus. 20 crore into 6, 120 crore Hindus. Documents, 12 Mandir documents, 72 Mandir documents, family. We are seeing the names: Parvati Dham, Shiv Dham, Vishnu Dham, Lakshmi Dham, Brahma Dham, Saraswati Dham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, Shiva Dham, each united Varshkrit Dham, each united Varshkriteshwari Dham, and government Dham and Sri government Dham. You see, all are living in the family. We have been married to all over India. We are scattered all over India. Now in this 1 to 6 room, we have to understand the democratic credential. 750 MPs from Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, their Aadhaar card we are putting, and the political parties who are working nationally, their Aadhaar card we are putting. We are by the documents we are setting. Then from the Vidhan Sabha side and Vidhan Parishad side, 4,500 MLAs are there, all over 29 states, 6 union territories, and in that the Aadhaar card we are putting, family we are putting. Automatically the document form which I am trying to explain you, so that it will come in your mind that self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing is self-employment government job. The faith and trust you will generate me, that will be represented automatically in the parliament, because they will understand, and automatically document system, by signing them we will become the representative of document truth only terms in the sixth form, and by document form we will become self-employed government servant, and fiscal credit salary will come. That vote bank we will develop 16.63 into 6. We are belonging from 6 unborn family. In that only Ganesh, Skand, Kartikeya, Hanumanji, Narad, Vishnuputra, Varshikit, Bhagwan, Bhojputra, Government Putra, all are coming. Putra, all are coming. That we have to understand that in 120 crore population, the 6 rays are coming from the heaven. It is documented and entering into the parliament and Vidhan Sabha, and a document life is being made by the document system, and the current date when we will enter into that by the trust and faith generated by me through truth only terms, organized self-employment ministry 18th session. We all will become self-employed government servant by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit shown. Our work will be recognized in this fiscal credit table which I have tried to make. This fiscal credit table is a unique table because we have irregular income. We have irregular income in the different scenario, because I have tried to divide the organized self-employment ministry budget administration 30,000 per month above earner, who is 30% of the Indian population, and 30,000 per month below earner, who is 70% of the total Indian population. 22% of our population is living below poverty line. Now irregular income problem is there. For them I have tried to make a 12-month fiscal credit system. What is their self-work? That we will recognize in the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate. And now for illiterate, I have tried to assume it wage per day is 330. Means 365 days he can earn 330 rupees. Now he is earning or not earning, it is a question mark. But by organized self-employment ministry, since we are signing the documents in front of 750 MPs who are of Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, and 4,000 Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad representative, we are acknowledging that we are working, and they will also acknowledge us that we are those who are illiterate, who is earning 350 rupees. On this principle, I have tried to make fiscal credit per day. Means half of our wage per day is fiscal credit per day, because the constitutional documents which we are going to sign, this will give us the validity of our work, and we become the constitutional sons and daughter. So the half of 330 rupees is 165 rupees. So per day, that means by the constitutional acknowledgement of organized self-employment ministry, we are able to earn 165 rupees per day. So salary per month, I have taken it 30 days. So on that basis, the salary is coming 6,900. It is coming, the salary is coming 6,360. So on that basis, means it is coming. So on that basis, 8,000 it is coming, 8,990. So on that basis, the fiscal credit per month it is coming 4,550. 4,550 is the fiscal credit. Means the acknowledgement of document is giving 4,550 fiscal credit. Now from our part, what is required? The concept to be trusted and faithful, because the document is involved. Document, what document? Our Aadhaar card and our PAN card, which everyone we are making. Automatically the validity will come from the parliament, because the self work is being acknowledged, whatever work we are getting. Now this table can be decreased also. It can reach to 200, 300. If 10 rupees is coming from the government side as a fiscal credit salary, it will boost up, and organized self-employment ministry and budget will give a national feeling that what self-employment we are doing is our government job, and the confidence will build the family structure, because we can pressurize the policy of population, but we cannot change the mentality of the people. What if a student wants to study? He will definitely study. If the student do not want to study, he will not study. This is here work also. Those who want to be organized worker, they will remain organized worker. This is the concept behind organized self-employment ministry. Those who are devoted citizen of India, of their states, they can easily manage this organized self-employment ministry budget affairs, because documents they will per month sign. Automatically organized self-employment ministry will give a boost up of the self-employment government job. And as I have shown you, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. From there you can purchase organized self-employment ministry truth only terms book, room number 1 to 6. One room is of a politician, one room is of a industries, one room is of press reporter, educationist, or you can say legal lawyers. One room is of the family members, one room is of truth and non-violence, and one room is of government. 6 rays are there. We all are having in our heart. We have not documented, and due to this reason we are not able to get the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate and fiscal credit self-funding swing. So what is happening? We are not getting self-employment government job status. In this way we will have double salary system. One, we are working in the private sector. In private sector everyone is not successful and his mind is not peaceful, but by this system we are living under the blessing of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Or we can further fragment into Parvati Dham and Shiv Dham, Vishnu Dham and Lakshmi Dham, that is Ram Dham and Sita Dham, Krishna Dham and Radha Dham, Brahma Dham and Saraswati Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham and Shiva Dham, each united worship God Dham and each united worship Goddess Dham of Hindus. Then the government Dham and sea government Dham. So we can fragment further by the Ganesh, Iskand, Kartikeya, Hanumanji, Naradji, all Dham. But what we have to do is organize self-employment ministry and budget. Now second of this is the signature known. I have tried to assume signature known as 375, which is coming fiscal per day it is coming 187.50 rupees per day by that signing of the document. So in that form it is coming salary per month it is coming 11,250. So in that circumstances the fiscal credit per month is becoming 5,625. By signing the document, these 22% of the poverty below line people can be 5,625, and on the other hand I am trying to put organized self-employment ministry on the human capital formation form, so that right of educational certificate is capital way. Every month we will try to say right of educational certificate in capital value. Automatically people will initiate it toward studying. And when self development is concerned, people try to read in evening classes also, because self awareness, then no one tries to pressurize, he will work himself. And we have the irregular income problem, because 30% of the people have the regular income. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, everyone they are able to take salary, but everyone is not so much lucky. So this fiscal credit table which I have made, it by the document system is guaranteeing the fiscal credit by signing documents. And like the railway fare, as it is guaranteed from Jammu Kashmir to the Kanyakumari, to the Mumbai railway station, to the Ambala railway station, to the Bangalore railway station, to the Assam Guwahati railway station, Patna railway station, to the Lucknow railway station, wherever if 70 kilometer travel we are doing, the ticket is same is the fiscal credit table, because self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit we are trying to give by generation of trust by me, faith from me, by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, with your initiative, and from the MPs, 750 MPs by signing documents, and from the 4000 MLAs and MP by signing documents. Automatically we are related to each other by the documents, and a documented democratic government economy is formed by the initiative of we all, because we all want a self-employment government job system, and this is possible by the documented system, because the rays are going to Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Kshirsagar Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, government Dham, each united Varshikrit God and Goddess Dham, and the government Dham. So we are joining at one point, and then we are authorizing to the Prime Minister and Chief Minister for our control, and posting by them also, and by self posting also. We get a guaranteed path, infinite population and infinite profession, automatically accommodated in the blessing of the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran of libraries of our Hindus, the Durga Saptati Devi Bhagavad, the each united Varshikrit God and Goddess which we are worshipping, and the Constitution of India. Only thing we are documenting, and we are getting self-employment government job. That's third slab I have made of the 5th class, that is 560 rupees, 500 rupees, and the fiscal credit is coming 250 rupees, and automatically salary is coming 15,000, and the half of that is 7,500. So we are acknowledging that 8th class, if he is 18 to 58 years, he is working anywhere, it is confirmed from the 73 years of the budget representation and taking the income tax. We are seeing that only 30% of the people are able to go to the equilibrium employment level, that is abhi just now this year it is 30,000. It can be go increase up and down, means it can be 35,000 or 40,000 or 28,000 according to the inflation and deflation recession in the economy, because economy can move up and down, boom, depression, all are the cycles of the economy. So but the equilibrium point is 30% above and 70% below, that is 30,000 per month above earner, just now it is. So here by the documented system, as the airways fare is fixed, as the railway fare is fixed, this fare is also fixed, means fiscal credit salary I am telling in organized self-employment ministry, it is fixed. So for the 8th pass it is coming, for the 5th pass it is coming 7,500. If they are starting at 32 years or 46 year or 50 years, same thing, and according to that the system is becoming. If we are retiring in that system, then again we are joining at 32, then again from 32 to 46 we will retain, and half of the salary is attached in that system, and this system work with that. So automatically we are retiring with the 8,000. The pension is coming 4,000. So 4,000 pension it is becoming. Then again we are retiring at the 46. Again the suppose 10,000, 5,000. The pension is coming 5,000. So 4,000 pension and 5,000 pension. It is becoming 9,000 pension. And then 58 years. If we are retiring at 12, so 6,000 pension. So 4,000, 5,000 plus 6,000. It is coming 11 plus 4, 15,000. So 15,000 is in our hand, and we are working after retirement. We can have a congenial life. We are attached in organized self-employment ministry. Now I have tried to put the fiscal credit of 8th pass in the same way. I have tried to put 625 rupees. On that basis, fiscal credit is coming 312 rupees, which the salary is coming 15,750, and the pension is coming 8,375. So 8,375 fiscal credit per hand it is coming. Means vice versa system can be made. I am just trying to give you a assume picture that it is possible by the self-employment government job system, 100% self-employment government job, 100% entry. Also for the administrative level, I have tried to put the I of, assume that I of Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House, the book Kailas Dham, that is Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran as Vaikuntha I from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the ISBN Puran as Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Durga Saptati as Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House Eyes, and the Hindu Varshkrit as Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House Eyes, and each united Varshkrit God and Goddess as a Rashtrapati Bhavan and Constitution of India as a Rashtrapati Bhavan. From there, if we are seeing, then we are putting in the document, the center is Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, in the document which we are signing, and on that basis we are putting a documented path, and on that basis from the rays are going directly to the Kailas Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. We are putting into the house, the Kailas Dham house, Vaikuntha Dham, Kshirshagar Dham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, government Dham, and the Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess. 6 unborn houses are coming, and 30,000 above and 30,000 below already I have shown you. The MPs and MLA Aadhaar card already I have shown you in the assumption, and in that basis that the houses is containing equal Aadhaar card, means 20 into 6, 120 crore Aadhaar card, equal housing Aadhaar card system in the state also, and automatically we can transfer each other to the any houses. It is our responsibility to do Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Varshit Puja, all types of puja. Apart from this, since organized self-employment ministry and budget I am starting. So 16th February to 26th February, organized self-employment ministry budget 6 family puja I have started, and 31st August to 11th September, organized self-employment ministry budget puja I have started, so that self-employment government job can prosper, and infinite population and infinite profession can be accommodated in that. And in private sector also this job will be coverage, because suppose any uneventuality happens, for some month we have frictional unemployment or seasonal unemployment, automatically this regular income job adjusters, self-employment government job adjusters, and we don't have to feel shaking, because we are under the blessing of 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs. Apart from this, by the constitutional signing, we all industrial brothers are also living in it. We all press brother, educational brothers and the legal brothers are living in it. We all families are living in this. We all truth and non-violence are living in this, and we all government are living in this. In this organized self-employment document, our head commander is President and Prime Minister at the center level, same thing, and Governor and Chief Minister at the same level. and the workers in the politics are organized self-employment ministry, independent candidate, as well as the politicians, the political parties, under which guidance we can flourish. Then I have tried to put the 10th standard. 10th standard I have put assume 750 rupees. So it is coming 375 rupee fiscal credit cell. So it is coming the 12. It is coming the 22,500 rupees salary. So the half of the fiscal credit cell is 11,250. So 11,250 he can get on this basis. We can reduce and increase according to our criteria, because annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry, automatically it will be adjusted by the government phenomena. The voting pattern, how we are managing it. Inflation, deflation can increase and decrease this 30,000 per month mark. It can be 32, 35, but one point will be fixed, 70 and 30 proportion, so that the equilibrium point of the living and the existence continues, and our respect towards the God and Goddess continues, our documents respect continues. Similarly, I have tried to put the 12th plus. It is 875, which is coming half is 437.50. That means the salary is 26,250. So it is coming 13,125. Similarly, graduation, I have put 1,000 rupees. So fiscal credit is coming 500. So automatically the salary is coming 30,000 and the fiscal credit per month is coming 15,000. Now you can understand 15,000 rupees is for the graduation, means it is confirmed. From this documented system, we are not facing any problem in the administration, because this documented system is confirming that it is possible by us, that by the documented system, as we have railway fare, our employment fiscal credit salary is fixed. We can work in the private sector above and below. I have tried to make a system where private sector also do not face problem. If they have flexible work period, no problem in that. Immediately they can say that we don't want just now, we want, so according to that. Here is our fixed income, 12-month fixed income, and for that we are documenting. We are documented in front of 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs, so that the documents can immediately reach to the Supreme Court. If any problem we will create, because we will be covered by our senior organized self-employment ministry managers. We have to generate trust. I am trying to develop a documented type economy on which a documented system develops, where we are shifting to the different house of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united one. And everyone is knowing everyone by the organized self-employment ministry data. So that we have to understand that this organized self-employment ministry and budget is giving a documented path, where we are moving in a document, as we have a globe, as we have the map, political map, physical map. Similarly, it is a constitutional map. It is a constitutional map of the work, the fiscal credit salary, which we will do throughout life. It increases according to the budget presentation. As we are presenting budget on the 14th February and 15th railway budget and the annual budget. Similarly, we will present next day organized self-employment ministry. On that day only this table will increase or decrease. Other day it will not increase. Similarly, on the graduation level, I have assumed 1125. It is coming 662.50, which is giving 33,750 salary, and the pension is coming 16,875 rupees. For the postgraduate, it is coming 16,875. Means at any time we are working, we are getting this. And I have tried to put promotion A to Z, so that as 4 year will work, the promotion will be there, and 50 rupees will increase automatically. Slowly it will give a strong economy, because remember one thing, regular income is always stronghold, and from the permanent side, it will give a boost up of our development in the organized way, because that permanent salary, permanent fiscal credit salary will boost up. Similarly, from the MPhil side, I have put 1250. It is coming, fiscal credit salary is coming 625, 365 days it is 625, and the fiscal credit salary is coming 37,600. Similarly, for the delete, I have put 1375, it is coming 667.50, and the salary is coming 41,250, and fiscal credit salary is coming 20,625. And then for the PhD, those who have done PhD, who is joining organized self employment ministry, it is coming 1500 per day, and the fiscal credit salary per day is coming 750 per day, 365 days. It will change when the budget will be presented. And then salary per month is coming 45,000, and fiscal credit salary is coming 22,500. Means I have tried to put in hand salary, under the equilibrium purview of employment, 30,000 per month above and below I have told. So PhD I am closing with 22,500. 22,500 I have tried to closing 365 days. It will increase and decrease according to the budget presentation of organized self employment ministry and budget, because organized self employment ministry is generating the work by self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing per month. This is the book I have tried to explain, which is trying to generate the public opinion, because by this book only you will be able to make yourself understand, because by this way you will be purchasing this book and you will understand that this I have tried to explain. Because organized self employment ministry is the platform which is giving self employment government democratic administration. It is a new concept which I have been working from 2001, and for last 20 years I have been convincing in different sessions. In organized self-employment ministry budget session, I am again trying to convince that self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry will give us self-employment government job. Yes, of course, we have to sign a documents. The documents which is being fermented by our 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs, because they also want to bless us. We also want blessing from them, and we all want to work together. A democratic documented economy under the faith of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. We can implement it by our ways. And in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, whenever we will go between 0 to 18 years, we will stay with 0 to 18 years. If we are going 18 to 58 years, it is divided into 3 platforms: 18 years platform, 32 years platform, 46 year platform, and 58 year platform. Means 4 platforms are there. If we are joining at 18 to 32, in between that we are going in 18, and from there we are going to our age group office. If we are joining at 32 and 46, in between we are going in that age group office according to the joining. And if we are joining at 46, we are going at 46 in that joining. And by the document method and by the date of birth we are able to make, because organized self-employment is keeping Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, photo election ID card. We are trying to develop the concept by the trust and faith develop in me. Automatically our MPs and MLAs will also listen. We will also understand. When you will purchase this book, you will understand. I have tried to explain in the drama form. 6 family, the families of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united goddess Dham. They are all in our heart. We are following that principle. We are moving on that, but we have not documented ourselves. If we all will understand, we will make from the Rashtrapati Bhavan our documented home, Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham, from the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126. And we will put it in the house form and we will transfer each other. We have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget for self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. We have to make organized self-employment ministry. Thank you.